Wait.
Sit down. You have changed.
Warning! You guys, that's actually fireworks. Warning! Do not make your fire near.
No. I'm not gonna say. Warning! This will be loud outside.
And warning!
Right here.
And warning!
And then.
And warning! Do
No.
and warning! Do not let your dog go away. And also, guys, that was actually yeah, fireworks that we actually saw.
Yeah, because I just said I was trying to.
You see the big one over there. Why ticket is it?
I was trying to say the warning,
1
but
minute.
they just still
Only
left.
1 minute.
I said on the dog. I trusted the dog. No, because I was talking first.
But you have to go fast.
I just said.
Oh, well, you guys see?
Oh, big
Told
one.
you.
Oh my goodness.
It's cooler in recording.
Yeah. Warning, it will contain very loud if you're outside, and it will contain fire at
Oh,
your
it's a
house.
Oh, Shalom,
And-
va a de jueves pirotécnicos para la Junta Fiesta Ranchera. Oh.
And you must close your ears now if it gets very loud.
Sí, ahí se pone bien chido.
Warning! It's
or-
very loud if you go outside, and it will contain fire, and you must close your ears because it will get very loud.
Oh, my
On
baby.
the 4th of July.
Or my baby, not live for you. You cannot close your ear.
Hey, por favor, cachucho. Necio. Ah, no.
Was that Nestor?
Huh?
Was that Nestor?
No. Talk to my tío Martín. He's go to Soloma.
What the mommy?
Tío, mommy? Mommy eats to store?
How long she's gone? How
I'm
long?
no. Hey, I'm not talking to Ernesto. Ernesto no more here. Okay?
Oh, what was that? Yeah, what was it?
Talk to tío Martín.
Wait, Funky?
Then also, guys, that's actually a moon.
Moon.
That I saw one. That's actually a car.
Oh. Wait, they put it in it?
No, I didn't found it.
Look!
Go,
The big
go
one.
right there, go right there.
Mira. Oh, there! The mountain ruby ducks.
I did not come in from the wall park.
Oh, sí, I got to Facebook.
And also, guys, that's actually fireworks. Oh, and he knows. But guys,
Look! Big one!
found it.
Oh. That can look the flag. That can look like the flag.
Cool. Oh,
I can see
that look like. I saw you Saturn. Oh.
Did you?
Oh.
Did you?
Oh.
Fireworks.
Amazing. Oh.
You actually saw Saturn?
Yeah, I actually did. It's actually a ring, and it was actually the planet was actually color blue. Alright, guys.
I thought.
But guys, every day the fireworks coming out the wall park. Where was that, California?
Oh my god.
Wall park.
Yeah, I remember.
Ooh.
Oh, big one.
So I just saw a very. Oh!
I think I'm zoomed. I'm actually
I knew
zoomed.
that. I knew that. that fireworks. Like this and this. That can
I thought I got that one. Oh, whoa.
I see firework thingy.
Oh my God.
That's all.
That's amazing.
Turn loud and make fire on your house.
You guys can't see them. You guys can't see the stars.
Close your ears when it's very loud. And
You guys.
And your dog will be scared, and the children and little kids will be scared.
I actually found a fireworks on the right side. I know that house. You know that house? No. That looks like a Pokeball.
Yeah. Wait, do you saw red and white and the middle is black?
No, it was actually red and golden.
It's a Pokemon.
Habla. ¿Por qué son los cohetes de 4 de julio?
Alright guys, there's a lot of fireworks, a million. Oh, where was that coming from?
That's so amazing.
And some fireworks coming out the back and over here. Okay. And I saw that in the back.
Whoa!
And some way over there.
¿Y por qué los americanos celebran el 4 de julio?
Mhm.
¿Eh?
And we got it for the 1st July.
Yeah, this is my first time doing it for July.
And you can make the first time with the fireworks, guys.
¿Cómo que no sabes?
You were scared when you guys were 7. Guys, you and Ishwa guys, you were scared when you got 7 or yeah. You guys were scared. I know. Do you remember you guys were scared? I saw a firework kind of looks the planet from Transformers the last night. It's coming to Earth.
I saw a star.
Me too.
Amazing.
Oh! That kind of looks like Jupiter. That going to crash us.
That looks like Neptune.
Whoa.
And also guys, in real life, if you're not recording, I could see clouds.
Really?
What?
I see clouds.
It's not gonna make a storm.
Where'd that come from? I don't know how 4th of July has been created. The 4th of July is the May to a celebration for the 4th.
Yeah, the 4th of July.
I saw Pokemon.
Me too. Pokeball. It was green.
Green and
Yellow.
no, it's purple. It was green and purple. Oh God, I think the plane watching.
It's sideways, isn't it?
But I warning, do not put in your house because your house will be fire every day. Forest, a house fire. Yeah, and you have to buy you a new house, not a old one.
Big one, look.
A new one. Oh, a light.
Dang. Oh my God!
I just Saturn.
No, the sound that looks like
No, wait, fireworks like Saturn.
It looks. Oh my God, guys! Do you see the stuff? No, so guys, do you actually see the stuff? Like, guys, do you see lines? The fireworks shooting fire.
Yeah, look. Well, I don't know what was that.
I love 4th of July.
Oh, two. But God, I don't know how we made it too.
Oh!
Candles light.
I'm sorry about that.
You say a very big.
I want you to make a big one. Sorry.
It was golden. I was trying to say that.
Bye. Boom.
Oh, big one. Golden. That's not even big.
In camera, white.
Saturn!
That looks like Saturn. cartoon. But guys, that's
Uranus.
yeah, that's Uranus.
But I want to call it Uranus. Some people call it Uranus and call it Solid.
I saw Uranus. Aww, with 2 rings.
I see it. Oh my, like me, my queen.
It's a bigger. Look.
Oh! I've been recording for half an hour.
Are you sure?
How fireworks have been invented?
I got but to have 5 minutes.
You don't know.
Igualito a Navidad.
Okay.
Pues it's same colors for Merry Christmas.
Alright, guys.
Wait. How do fireworks have been invented?
Alright, guys. Here.
Which year fireworks have been invented?
Yeah.
Maybe when you got was scared.
Oh my God, that was a big one.
No, when we're not even born.
I don't know. Maybe in the first day. Then maybe the first day I'm not going to school. Maybe. Oh.
There was a firework!
Oh, we have tomorrow. Nah, there. Yeah, that's the bigger.
You guys, look at the fireworks. It's spreading. It's going somewhere else.
Yeah. Hope it doesn't make it fire. Guys.
What's up?
I'm scared. What if the fire come near from the plane and it will crash from a house or somewhere?
You spent it!
Not scare human. Everybody is wearing. It's men, okay?
We shouldn't wear jackets.
There are no women here.
And I don't know my new
We are only
jacket.
men.
Okay, wait, Pedro.
Hey.
I wish Mom and those are midnight Wednesday.
I just saw one.
I've been recording for half an hour.
Oh.
I think 2 hours because
2 hours!
but it's 12 minutes and 20 seconds. 12
But
minutes.
guys,
and 20
going into the building or your dog because your dog will run away and go somewhere.
How the fireworks
And Ronnie, do not die.
What time do
Do not put your face in the fire or you will die.
10 minutes.
15 more minutes?
And you will never
So
be
you see
alive.
some more bigger.
And be careful to not
Tienes
bring
que ver
your
los
house
más grandes
near
cuando van a
because your
caminar,
house will
van a-
burn. So you,
Así van a subir.
be careful.
And people actually recorded some years ago and also days ago. And also it's midnight.
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa!
what was that? Oh, I saw one way with that.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I saw one behind me. A really big one. You can't miss it.
Who was someone on the street on the left?
I know the house.
No, on the part on
On the tree?
two.
Oh, I saw one.
It's like here.
Oh, a big one. I think I missed it. Not the train. I hit the train when the kid made way from July. The 1st July.
Yeah, I know.
You make. Oh, I saw a heart.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, it liked me.
But I can't actually record that high. I can only record to under 14 minutes. So I want to end this video, guys. See you guys at the